Sunlight bathes the living room, illuminating the whimsical dance of dust motes and the playful escape of feathers. Chuckles' eyes sparkle with purpose as he carefully assembles a vibrant fortress of pillows. The room radiates a sense of playful anticipation, each pillow a building block of adventure. Chuckles declares, "Welcome to the Chibi Kingdom, no monsters allowed." Poppy explodes into the living room, her hands adorned with paper claws, transforming her into a fearsome monster. With a playful roar, Poppy declares, "Rawr! I'm the pillow monster!" Chuckles grins, clutching a pillow, ready for a playful battle. The scene is set for a lighthearted showdown. Laughter echoes through the room as the pillow monster prepares to strike. Feathers erupt in a playful storm as Chuckles and Poppy wage war with pillows. "Take that! And that!" Chuckles cries out amidst the feathery chaos. Poppy dances away from the onslaught, her laughter echoing through the room. "Missed me!" Their pillow fortress trembles, threatening to collapse under the relentless attack. With a final wobble, the fortress gives way, burying the combatants in a soft avalanche. Chuckles declares as the dust settles, "Well, now it's a monster cave." Poppy enthusiastically agrees, "And we are both the monsters!"